Hey guys, I'm going to share with you 7 critical tips that will help you grow a successful gaming channel on YouTube. And the first is to start your videos with a high action preview followed by asking your viewers to subscribe in a creative way. If you can successfully grab your viewers' attention right at the beginning of the video, followed by asking them to subscribe in a way that they haven't normally seen, then the benefits to this is you've already hooked your viewers' attention. So everyone's on the video. You have your most potential viewers to subscribe to your channel. And then when you ask them to subscribe in a way that's really engaging, then it can trigger them to actually subscribe. And what DanTDM does is he starts his videos off with something interesting that happens later on in the video, and he uses that as the hook for the video. And then when he has the most new visitors on his video, he asks them to subscribe in a way that I actually haven't seen before. What he does is he points out that most people watching the video are not currently subscribed. And this is actually the way it is most of the time. Most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. And so by pointing that out, it gets you to start thinking. And then he points out that it's free to subscribe and it really helps him out. Now here's the thing, it is free to subscribe and it really does help creators out. And so it kind of makes you feel guilty if you don't subscribe to his channel. And by doing this, he gets most people to click the subscribe button. And this is one of the reasons he has over 25 million subscribers. Now, you do need to take this tip with a word of warning. If you ask people to subscribe at the beginning of your video, you have the chance of hurting your audience retention on the video because people will dip out because they haven't received any value yet. But if you can find a creative way to ask them to subscribe, then this can actually boost the engagement of the video because it's something they haven't seen before. So tip number 2 is make sure to set up your video at the very beginning. If you have a clear objective that you are trying to accomplish and you can successfully get your audience excited about that goal, then this is how you boost the audience retention of the video. See, one mistake that some gamers make is they make it hard for you to tell what the purpose is of the video, what they're trying to accomplish. And if you can have a clear objective and get your audience really excited about it, then this is how you get viewers to stay on the video. Because they can clearly see what you're trying to accomplish and they want to watch you accomplish that goal. And so they join you on that journey. And this is how you make the video more engaging. So tip number 3 is write your video titles for people. To win the click, you need to grab people's attention. And if they click, the algorithm will follow. So tip number 4 is create suspense at the beginning and during the video in order to keep your audience engaged. And one of the ways that DanTDM does this is he will say, I'm not going to reveal all my plans just yet. And when he does this, it makes you wonder, well, what is he going to do? And by doing that, he keeps his viewers on the video. So tip number 5 is become an expert in reactions. Basically, if you're not excited, then your viewers are not going to be excited either. And it's important to remember that a game is a journey and your viewers are on that journey with you. And so don't hold back your emotions. Basically, DanTDM, he overreacts to everything. And this makes his videos more engaging. And one of the things that he does is he actually celebrates his mistakes. If you make a mistake in a game, it can actually be a good thing because it can make the video more engaging and it can keep your audience on the video. So if you mess up, just laugh at it and allow your audience to laugh with you. So tip number 6 is leverage the power of audience conditioning in order to do what is best for your channel. And audience conditioning basically means that whatever you do on your channel, as long as you're consistent at it, your audience will eventually get used to what you're doing. And basically what DanTDM does is he has continuously made long videos and asked his viewers to subscribe at the beginning. And the reason that he does this is because he knows you will eventually get used to him making longer videos and asking his viewers to subscribe. And so people watch anyway. And even though maybe asking viewers to subscribe can be a bad idea for audience retention purposes, if you're always doing it and you're consistent at it, then it just becomes part of the video and his viewers get used to him doing this. And his longer videos, because his audience is used to his videos being long, this must mean that he has a long average view duration. And if you can keep your viewers on your videos for a long period of time, then this is how you get a lot of suggested traffic. And this is one of the reasons his channel is so large. And don't get frustrated if you're a new gamer and you make a 20-minute video and it doesn't get very many views and it doesn't have very good audience retention, because you just started and your viewers are not necessarily used to your content or committed to your channel. But if you're consistent and you continuously try to make better and better 20-minute videos, then eventually your viewers will get used to these 20-minute videos, which will result in a long average view duration over time, and you will start to get more and more suggested traffic. So tip number 7 is look at how big creators in your niche begin and end their videos, and use the same techniques in your videos. Because the beginning and the end of your video are two of the most important parts of your video. See, at the beginning, you want to hook your viewers into the video, and at the end, the goal is to get them to watch the next video and or possibly subscribe. And what DanTDM does is he hooks you at the beginning of the video with a high action preview, and then at the end of the video, he ends with music and an end screen that has 2 end screens on it and his subscribe watermark. And what he's trying to do is he's trying to get you to click a video and also to subscribe to his channel. And by continuously doing this each time he makes a video, not only do you get used to how he does this, but it also encourages you to actually click the next video and continue watching videos on his channel. And if you can look at how creators in your niche are beginning and ending their videos, then you can use the same techniques which will help you get the same results on your channel. So I have a bonus tip for you. Try to add value in your video beyond just the game and your personality. See, here's the thing. When I analyze gaming channels, typically what I see is the gamer will try to do something with the game to add value, such as showing you how to solve a problem or accomplish a goal, or simply to entertain you. And then they will use their personality to enhance the experience. And so this makes an engaging video. But here's the problem. Beyond just the game and that person's personality, there isn't necessarily any more value in the video. And what I think is a huge untapped area on YouTube is the idea of using the game as the entertainment factor, but then talking about something that is unrelated to gaming, but adds value to the video. And I've seen a few videos on YouTube that do this, where you have just the gaming footage as kind of like B-roll in the video, and then the creator is talking about tips for something else. And if you can use this technique in your videos where you are using the game as the entertainment and whatever you're talking about as the value proposition, then this is how you're going to get your channel to really take off. See, for example, I think a great idea for a channel would be to use a particular game as the B-roll and then talk about something like politics as the topic of discussion. And so you kind of have 2 reasons to watch the video. You're pulling in an audience that loves gaming, but you're also pulling in an audience that is interested in politics. And so this sets your channel up to be a lot more successful. So if you're a newer creator, consider making a channel this way so that you can get more subscribers to your channel. Now listen, this is critical. If you want to get more subscribers to your channel, then you need to watch the video on the screen, and I will see you over there in that video.